Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Soya English Hub. I'm Hazel. Today is a very special day in our house. Can you guess why? It's Brad's birthday. My husband is turning a year older today. So, the kids and I are planning a big surprise. We are going to bake a chocolate cake. I'm not a professional baker, but how hard can it be, right? Let's meet my team. Tom, Anna, come here, sweeties. We're here, Mommy.
We're ready for the secret mission.
Are you guys ready to learn some kitchen vocabulary and see if we can make the perfect cake? Let's get started.
Oh no, it's almost 8:30 now. I'm about to be late for work.
Honey, don't forget your briefcase. And remember, we're having a special dinner tonight, so try not to be late.
I remember. I'll be home by 6 p.m. Bye, kids. Give Daddy a hug.
Bye, Daddy. Have a productive day.
Phew! Finally, he's gone. Okay, team. The house is ours. Birthday surprise project starts now. First things first, we need our uniforms. Tom, Anna, go get your aprons.
Yes, Mom.
While they're getting ready, let's look at the ingredients. We have flour, cocoa powder, butter, and eggs. And of course, my secret weapon, a lot of love.
We're ready! Should I wash my hands now, Chef Hazel?
Exactly, Tom. Everyone, wash your hands. In this kitchen, hygiene is number one. Let's go! Okay, first, let's put the ingredients in the bowl. We need the flour and cocoa powder. Tom, can you help me pour them in?
Okay, Mommy. I will pour it carefully.
Now, the eggs. I will crack them. Anna, please give me one egg at a time.
Here is your egg.
Thank you, Anna. Great. Now we need the sugar to make it sweet. Tom, pass me that white jar, please.
This one, Mommy? The one with the white powder?
Yes, that's it. Just pour half of it into the bowl. Thank you, sweetie. Now, the most important part. We need to mix everything together. I will start first to make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Okay, Anna, your turn. Hold the handle and stir gently, just like a professional baker. That's right, Anna. You're doing a great job.
Wow, Mommy. Look. It's becoming so smooth and glossy. It looks like a chocolate river.
I have the cake pan with some butter on. Can we pour the batter in now, Chef Mommy?
Perfect. Let's pour it in. Now, into the oven it goes. We just need to wait for 40 minutes.
I can't wait. It's going to be the best cake in the world.
Daddy will be so surprised. Look, It's already starting to rise.
I hope so, kids. Everything looks perfect so far. Oh my goodness, do you smell that? It smells like something is burning. The cake!
Oh no! The timer didn't ring! Mom, look! The cake is black!
It looks like a burnt tire. Is it okay, Mommy?
Okay, the cake is a bit burnt on the edges. But don't worry, I will cut it off. We can hide everything with the decorations. Let's make it look beautiful.
I want to put the sprinkles. And the strawberries. And the chocolate chips.
And I will squeeze the whipped cream. Watch me. I'll make a giant tower.
Slow down, Tom. Anna, not too many sprinkles. Oh dear. Wait. Stop. Everyone, look at the cake. What is this?
It looks like a monster's lunch. It's a total mess, Mommy.
Oh, Tom, it's okay. We all made a mistake. But this cake, it's burnt and ugly. Brad is coming home soon. This is a disaster. What should we do? Oh no. Did you hear that? That's Daddy's car. He comes home early. Quick, team, hide the mess.
What should we do, Mommy?
The cake is still on the table. We are not ready.
Deep breaths, everyone. Calm down. It's okay. Tom, Anna, go to the door. Wear your party hats and get the confetti ready. I will handle the cake.
Yes, Captain Mommy. Let's go.
Hello, I'm home. Why is it so quiet in here?
Surprise! Happy birthday, Daddy! Here is your hat, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Wow. Thank you, my little monsters. What a warm welcome. Is there something delicious waiting for me?
Yes, Daddy. Follow us. The birthday feast is starting now.
Welcome home, honey. Sit down, sit down. I've cooked all your favorites: roasted chicken, mashed potatoes, and a fresh salad.
Wow, Hazel. Everything looks mouth-watering. You worked so hard. Thank you so much, everyone.
Daddy, the chicken is just the beginning. We also tried to make a chocolate cake for you.
A cake? You guys baked a cake for me? Oh, I can't wait to see it. Where is it, Hazel?
Oh, the cake. Well, it's a bit special. Tom, Anna, are you ready to show Daddy our masterpiece? Happy birthday, Brad. Please, don't be shocked.
Oh, wow. That is certainly a very creative cake. It looks like a sweet volcano exploded.
I'm so sorry, Brad. I wanted to make everything perfect, but I ruined it. The cake is burnt and it looks terrible. I feel so bad.
Honey, look at me. Appearance is not important. What matters is that you Tom, and Anna made this together for me. It's the most beautiful cake I've ever seen. Now let's light the candles. Tom, Anna, help me.
Here is your candle.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday!
Yay!
I bet it tastes amazing. Let me try a big piece. Oh, wow. That is certainly very flavorful.
Brad, your face looks strange. Is it that bad?
It's extremely salty, Hazel. Did you put a whole bag of salt in here?
Oh my God! That must be the white powder jar I gave to Mom! It wasn't sugar, it was salt! Mommy, I'm so sorry.
My dear, it's okay. It's not your fault. Brad, I wanted to give you a big surprise, but it turned into a total disaster. I'm a terrible cook.
Hazel, honey, please don't be sad. I'm not disappointed at all. This salty cake is a memory I will never forget. In fact, I'm the happiest man alive because you and the kids did all of this for me. And guess what? I have a surprise for you guys too. I stopped at the store on my way home because I have the best family in the world.
A surprise for us?
But it's your birthday, Daddy!
Ta-da! 3 special gifts for my 3 special people. Open your gift.
Wow! I got a giant Lego set! The space shuttle! This is awesome! Thank you, Daddy!
Look, a pink cooking toy set. Now I can practice baking with Mommy every day.
Honey, it's only you left. Open your gift.
Oh, Brad, it's a necklace. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, honey. Brad, I don't know what to say. It's your birthday. We should be the ones giving you gifts. But here you are, buying things for all of us.
Yeah, Daddy! Thank you so much!
You are the best daddy in the world.
Do you know why I bought these? Because seeing you 3 happy is the best birthday gift I could ever receive. My happiness is seeing your smiles every day.
You always know how to make me cry and laugh at the same time. We are so lucky to have you, Brad. Happy birthday, my love.
I'm the lucky one. Now enough crying. I'm starving. Let's eat this amazing chicken before it gets cold.
So, as you can see, our birthday surprise didn't go as planned. The cake was a mess, but our hearts were full of joy.
Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soya English Hub if you enjoyed our story.
What is the funniest cooking mistake you have ever made? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to read your stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, and happy learning.